bad juggler.
What?
A bad juggler.
Yeah, I never could juggle either. I don't have the coordination for it.
Either.
But I can dance.
That's debatable.
Is that what that was?
It's debatable. I'm glad your children weren't here. They're glad they weren't here. Ugh.
You should be nice to me.
Should. I'm nice to you. We play bocce.
Bocce?
Yeah, throw out a strawberry and we'll see who can get the closest to it. Or an apple. Well, they all go downhill, so it's kind of easy. Ooh, look, I got the apple.
All in the name of compost.
There's the strawberry. There's little squished raspberries in here. And an occasional strawberry. Okay, how does it go?
How does it go?
Yeah.
How does what go?
It goes. You gotta know how to hold them. Know how to throw them. Sometimes they roll away. But we're almost done. Right?
Right.
You gotta get the trash out. Sometimes they leave it.
Sometimes there's firewood.
Hip hip hooray. How's
Free
that?
firewood.
In the compost.
Advantages of wood mulch delivery.
From a tree service.
Sometimes there's lots of firewood in it.
And sometimes there's trash. Oh, question. Have you ever been tempted to use any of this?
No.
Yes, we do.
It's
all the
kinda-
time. We use it for chicken feed.
Well, that's true. What did I give them yesterday?
Lots of watermelons and apples. They
And
won't
pears?
eat, and no citrus.
No citrus. They don't like it. My good boy.
But they'll eat the apples and they'll eat bananas if we get the peel off for them. Oh, look. These are delicious pears.
They were.
I bet it still is. You want a bite?
No, I do not. There's something about this dumpster diving mentality that won't let me eat anything out of here.
Oh, but see, that's the opposite. I'm the opposite. If we cut into one of these watermelons with a clean knife, washed it off, clean knife, you could scoop out the middle of it, it would be frozen watermelon. There's nothing wrong with frozen watermelon. But we won't. We won't.
It's quite a workout.
But it's not a waste because it's making good soil.
It's true. We're putting it to use.
And we have a lot of mulch to amend.
Well,
This is the first ingredient.
all of the nutrients from all the, I don't know, minerals or stuff in here, and it brings up the earthworms.
Yeah.
And after we cover all this with the mulch, keeps all the mulch nice and wet, so it
Well,
breaks down faster.
kind of. I mean, it's making the ground nice and wet. And requesting the abundance of earthworms. Sorry, did I spray you?
A little bit.
Oh, mushrooms! Look!
Yeah. Mushrooms and strawberries and
Yes.
cherries.
We found,
Oh my.
there was something, oh, I found bell pepper a while ago.
Avocados.
Hey, look, this one's like a football. Wait a minute. Here, you can go out for a pass.
Yuck. One way to get splattered.
Catching a wet potato. It's raining on you. Your shirt is so splattered.
That's all right. It's a Savvy Organics form shirt. it could take a little splattering.
Ugh.
And soon we'll update our store, so we'll have more shirts and hoodies and stuff on our store for people.
Yeah, somebody was asking about a shirt just the other day.
Smell it. It'll smell a lot more like.
Oh, I can smell it when you're turning it. It smells like earth. Yep. Smells like
lot more broken down.
soil gonna be. Yeah, it's still very mulchy, but it's breaking down.
Looking better.
Yep. It is.
What the hell?
This wasn't on the list of chores today, but being a good neighbor is always on the list.
It gets up against that bolt, and sometimes it just doesn't want to. That went. Before we got this Yanmar tractor, Mr. Houston used to let us borrow his tractor to do things, so the least I can do is return the favor and help him till up his garden. Connecting the drive shaft to the PTO. It's all connected, it's just that easy. Alright.
Yes, alright, so you're off down the street and not any lasting words.
No lasting words.
Okay. Alright, I'll see you later.